Oh,
Jerome, good morning. Welcome to our session number 3 of counseling. It all started with the visit as a result of your physics teacher being concerned. And so now we've evolved into some more things for you since you're entering your senior year. Last week, we talked about some goals before you left, and I had you write down a couple of things that you were going to do concerning extra lessons in your physics class. And I want you to share with me what you wrote down last week, just briefly what you wrote down, and then we'll just go from there. I want to hear what it was so that you can refresh my memory on what goals you wrote down.
I think I wrote something down about doing like assignments.
Yes. Okay. Now, now you wrote it down. Now, what specifically did you write down? Do you remember the words that you wrote down?
That I did a few physics assignments to help get my grade up.
Okay. And how did that go for you? Were you? I'm writing down some things as you're talking. So, to help get your grade up, how many assignments did you do actually last week? 2. Okay, that's what you told me you would do. The first assignment, you did it at home. This is homework, right? Not in class, homework. How long did it take you approximately to do the first assignment? Maybe an hour? Okay. And you completed it? All right. And did you immediately work on the second assignment, or did you turn in the first one and then work on the second one? What was your strategy? The same time? Okay. So you turned them in, you got them both done. Do you think that writing the goal down helped you? What do you think helped you? What was it that helped you to get them done? Because these were extra assignments in addition to what you normally do. So what was it that motivated you to get them done? I like that. Okay. So when you turned them in, what did your teacher say? What was her reaction?
Glad you did these assignments.
Oh, good, good. I know it was a little late in the semester, so she said she was glad. And then did that encourage you maybe even to do additional work?
No, because you ran out of time.
Right. Okay, if you didn't run out of time, if the class had not ended, would you have continued to do that?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. I'm glad that you did those assignments. What I do know is that it was late in the term, and although you got credit, it did not make a difference with your grade because of timing. But I will encourage you, starting out in the beginning in your senior year, to stay on top of it, and like you did, put forth that extra effort to make it a situation where you don't have to end at the crunch time. What do you think? How's your week going so far?
It's too bad.
It's okay? Okay. Now, when you say it's okay, does that mean, what would that interpret to mean?
It's not horrible.
It's not horrible. Have you ever had a horrible week?
Sometimes.
Sometimes. Okay, so the goal is to not have horrible weeks, but okay, at least minimal. All right. Well, last week also, as you finished writing your goals, I had left some material for you, and I see that you brought it back with you today. Tell me a little bit about did you get a chance to look at it? Okay, tell me what do you think this is about?
College.
College. Have you decided to go to college? You have decided to go to college, and you know that is going to be right around the corner for you. Yes. Why did I say right around the corner?
Senior.
How does it feel to be a senior?
Oh.
You feel old? Oh, it's supposed to be This is a life-changing event for you, going to college, the whole process. And I'm laughing when you say you feel old. What does that really mean when you say old? Isn't that relative? Old is compared to what? Young? Well, you're still very young. Age-wise. Okay, so in college, though, there's going to be freshmen, juniors, seniors, older, maybe some younger, and you'll be on the younger end in college. Now, getting to college is where we're going to focus our next couple of sessions for you to give you maybe a roadmap, so to speak, to put you in the right direction to get you to college. So you said college. We had talked about college choices the last time, and you weren't sure where you wanted to go. The information that I had gave you is on the California State University system colleges, and please share with me what you came up with. One of your goals from last week was to bring back a college choice. So what have you decided?
I know this is like the CSU system, but I also wanted to look into the UC system.
Okay, speak up a little bit so that I can hear you.
Yeah, I don't know, like the systems, whatever, but I also want to look into the UC system and those requirements as well.
The UC system, okay. Which, when you say UC system, which school in particular are you referring to?
Stuff like UCLA, UC.
Do you think you want to stay local?
It doesn't make that much of a difference to me.
Okay.
But UC is all logo.
Okay. So we'll look into the
University of California.
Okay, the UC systems is what we'll look into for you. Which choice do you want to start with? Do you have one preference that we can look at in terms of putting you on a pathway? Which one? If you had to pick UCLA, UC Berkeley, which UC would you want to start with? UCLA, okay. Now with UCLA, do you know where it's located? Other than in LA, do you know where about? Okay, so that would be something that we will have you look at in terms of your short-term, weekly goals, where geographically it's located. Do you know what they offer?
They offer like a bunch of just degrees, doctorate degrees, bachelor degrees, just a bunch of degrees that they do offer.
Okay, so we're going to look at the bachelor's degrees first. Your courses that you have been taking all the way up through your 11th grade year are definitely preparing you for entering college, and you ended, congratulations, with what as a GPA? 3.0. We made it to the threes, huh? Yes, congratulations, because the schools, a lot of them, that's going to be very competitive with the grades, and your work that you're going to be doing in your senior year will hopefully improve your GPA as well. Okay, so let's look at some things of what we know today. Okay, so what we know. And actually, I'm going to say what you know. That you want to go to college, right? Okay. You want to go to college, Okay. The college that you are going to start with is, we're going to look at UCLA. Okay. You're going to find out where it's located so that you'll know, have a location. We want to, what else do you know though? So we know that you want to go. How about your major? Do you know your major? What area, which is going to be very key to where you focus your efforts? What do you want to study? Oh, okay. So, you want to study engineering. Do you know if UCLA has an engineering program? Have you gotten that far? The 10th best in the United States. Now, how did you find that out? Okay, good. Because I want you to do some research. In our next session, as a matter of fact, we're going to be talking about what you need to know in order to meet this goal in terms of getting here to UCLA. Okay, so when would you like to attend? Do you know that today?
Fall of 2017.
Okay, what you know? I'll put when. Fall 2017. Okay. Do you know anything else about admission yet? Did you get that far in your research? When you talk, have you talked to your parents to see if that is a direction that they will support in terms of you going to UCLA? Not yet? Okay, because that would be one of the things that I would want you to also work on. So engineering. Engineering is a very broad area. You have mechanical engineers. You have, what other kind of engineers? Civil engineers. Do you know which type of engineer focus you would want? Okay, you mentioned civil. Would that be a possibility?
They're all possible.
Okay. What would determine? How can it be narrowed down to?
To see what I like. Something that might interest me.
Okay, so civil, mechanical, any other ones that, let's just kind of put down some notes, because this is what you know now. So we know it's civil, mechanical, what other types of engineering? So there's more than 2 types. Electrical, that one's okay. Electrical. Okay. Well, those are 3. In your goals for this week, going forward, I want you to look at some engineering information to find out if there are other areas that may interest you in terms of the engineering field. So I'm glad that you narrowed it down to that one area to know what you want to study. We know when you want to study. So let's just review before we end today so that you can see where you're headed. So what do you know? Tell me loud and clear.
I guess I want to go to college.
What you do?
Looking into UCLA.
Okay.
My major would be engineering.
Mhm.
And I would take it in the fall of 2017.
Okay. Wow, that's exciting, huh? Huh?
A little bit.
A little bit? Okay, good. So we're going to have you again write down some goals in terms of getting to college, and we'll discuss those next time to see what are those things that you need to explore further so that you can move in that direction. Okay. Anything else we need to discuss today? No. You just say no because you want to hurry up and get out of here, huh? Okay, so I will see you next week, and we'll continue our discussion. Thank you. Have a great day.